Welcome students. Today we will do MCQs for class 6 Curiosity chapter 4 Exploring Magnets part 3. We have already discussed part 1 and part 2 in our previous video. If you have not watched, please go through it. The link is given in the description. Let's start our part 3 of 25 questions from 51 to 75. Our first question: what are artificial magnets typically made from? And correct answer is C, iron or its alloys. Which of the following is not a magnetic material? And the correct answer is B, plastic. Which of these shapes can magnet come in? And the correct answer is all of the above. Magnet come in bar shape as well as ring shape as well as horseshoe shape and many other types of shapes. So the correct answer is all of the above. What is the main use of lodestone? And correct answer is C, to make a natural magnet. What will happen if the north pole of one magnet is brought near the north pole of another magnet? And the correct answer is A, they will repel. What is the magnetic property that helps sailor find the directions? And the correct answer is C, magnet point north-south direction. What can be concluded when two magnets attract each other? And correct answer is B, unlike poles are facing each other. What is the behavior of a magnetized needle floating in water? And correct answer is C, it aligns with the north-south direction. If you rub a needle with a magnet, what will happen? And correct answer is B, the needle will become a magnet. How can you tell if an object is made of magnetic material? Correct answer is A, by checking if it is attracted to a magnet. Why are magnets used in compasses? Correct answer is C, they point in the north-south direction. Which of the following materials can be magnetized? And correct answer is D, iron. Glass, rubber and wood can't be magnetized. Therefore, the correct answer is iron. What kind of poles do two magnets have if they are repelling each other? And correct answer is A, like poles. If a magnet is suspended freely, which direction will it point? And correct answer is B, north-south direction. What is the purpose of taping the paper when placing a bar magnet over iron fillings? And correct answer is D, to create a pattern of magnetism. Which property allow magnet to act through materials like wood or plastic? And correct answer is C, magnetic forces act through non-magnetic materials. What is the term used for materials that are attracted to a magnet? And correct answer is B, magnetic. What device did ancient Indian sailor used for navigation? And correct answer is A, Matsya Yantra. Which of these activities can help determine the poles of a magnet? And correct answer is D, suspending the magnet freely. Why do magnets attract iron filling more strongly at their poles? And correct answer is A, the poles are more magnetic. Which of the following is a property of magnet? And the correct answer is C, they attract magnetic materials. How do sailors use magnets to navigate at night when stars are not visible? And the correct answer is B, by using a magnetic compass. Which of the following materials is least likely to be used in making a magnet? And the correct answer is C, wood. What is the basic structure of a magnetic compass? And the correct answer is B, a magnetized needle that rotates freely. What happened to a magnetic needle when brought near another magnet? and the correct answer is C, it get deflected. Thank you for watching MCQ CBSE. Please go through our playlist on class 6 curiosity. The link is given at the end screen and also in the description. Thank you.